This is why you need the 12-second rule in your riding toolkit. Curious? Keep watching. The 12-second rule is a game changer for motorcycle safety. Simply put, it means scanning the road 12 seconds ahead of you. Doing this gives you ample time to spot and react to any potential hazards. It's part of the February 4th 12 rule. Maintain a 2-second following distance, scan 4 seconds ahead for immediate threats, and look 12 seconds ahead to plan your moves. Add in the search, evaluate, execute strategy, always scanning, assessing, and acting proactively. Master counter-steering for perfect cornering. Practice smooth braking with 60% front and 40% rear brakes. And remember, your reaction time is crucial. At 40 miles per hour, you're traveling 60 feet a second. Don't forget defensive techniques. Visibility, lane positioning, and blind spot checks are your best friends on the road. Want to get better? Practice in empty parking lots to hone these skills. Stick to the 12-second rule, stay proactive, and ride safe. Your safety is in your hands.